Welcome to the video series where we will explore the place value of decimals to hundredths. Part 1. Let's explore some patterns. Take a look at the place value chart that is shown on the screen. What is the relationship between each column? Pause the video while you explore those relationships. You may have said something like 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 tens equals 100. 10 hundreds equals 1,000. 10 thousands equals 100,000. 110 equals 10 ones. 100 equals 100 ones. 1,000 equals 1,000 ones. 10,000 equals 10,000 ones. Or 100,000 equals 100,000 ones. You probably noticed that I related a lot of these things to ones. That's because everything related to numbers always comes back to its relationship to 1. What is the pattern you see as you move from the right side of this table to the left side? Did you notice that the value increases by 10 times as you increase the location to the left? So for example, this 3 in the 10 spot is valued at 10 times more than the 3 in the 1 spot, and that the 3 in the 100 spot has a value that's 10 times greater than this 3 in the 10 spot. So from right to left, we start with 3, and then it's 3 multiplied by 10 is 30. 30 multiplied by 10 is 300. 300 multiplied by 10 equals 3,000. 3,000 multiplied by 10 equals 30,000. 30,000 multiplied by 10 equals 300,000. Now what about if you move from left to right? What's the pattern you notice there? Did you notice that the value decreases by 10 times as you decrease the location to the right? So as you move to the right, the value decreases by 10 times. 300,000 divided by 10 is 30,000. 30,000 divided by 10 is 3,000. 3,000 divided by 10 is 300. 300 divided by 10 equals 30. 30 divided by 10 equals 3. Now, based on the patterns that we've looked at so far, what do you think might be the number on the left of 300,000? And how do you know? So if there was a 3 in that spot above the question mark, what would be the value where the question mark is located? Did you say 3 million? And how did you figure that out? That's simply 300,000 multiplied by 10. Based on the patterns that we looked at, what might be the number on the right of the 3 in the ones place? So where the question mark is. If we have a 3 above that, what would be the value of that? Did you say 3/10? How would you figure that out? Well, if it's decreasing to the right and you're dividing by 10, you can take the 3 and divide it by 10. That's it for now for exploring patterns. I'll see you in the next video.